Hi guys. Well, we just went out to get something. I don't know the name of that something. And Bono, she was so cute. She was oh, like this, and I kept petting her belly. It was so cute. She wants to look outside. Come here. This. She was standing like this, and I just kept on petting her belly. This little belly. And funny thing about Bano, when we were halfway to the shop, Bano, you guys meet. Bano, she was smelling this thing when she basically had car rides, a lot of car rides, in my opinion. Yes, a lot of car rides, and that was just weird to me. And whenever Bano hears a voice, she's like, hmm? Okay, here's a look for Bano. Oh, this is a good angle. We don't want to see your head, Bano. Oh, she's smelling you guys. She's like, oh, look at Emma. Yeah, now this is a good angle. I want to take a picture. Bano, oh, what do you see? What do you see? What do you see? I wish the animals could just talk so that we would understand what they're saying. In my opinion, she has a really pinky nose. We don't want to see your head, Bano. Yeah, she's been there many times. Now she's exploring that. This is the weird thing about cats. Oh, she's looking at the phone's light. She's looking at the phone's light. See? She sees a light. You guys can't see it. But she's looking at a light. She's not looking at a ghost, I promise. She's not looking. I keep moving the light of the phone over here and over there so she could just follow it. Manu. The light is on her. Okay. Before the video ends, it's not ending right now, but before the video ends, I just want to say I hope you guys had a great and lovely day, a happy, lovely day, and that's all. Okay, now she's on the driver's seat. I hope she doesn't run away. One time, my dad was driving and she was just sat calmly over there. My hand is shaking. Smelling the driver's seat. Guys, we were just taking Bano out for a car ride because we were going somewhere, and she just like a weird cat that she is. Yeah, just like a weird cat that she is, she went to sit. Bano, how crazy are you? She is not a normal cat. She is a crazy old woman like me. Sorry, a lady like me. Oh, sorry. Woo! We just gave her a shower because early in the morning, she went out on the balcony, and her paws and her stomach on the fur, the stomach on the fur on the stomach is just it was all muddy. Her feet, her hands, her stomach fur was so muddy. We had to give her a bath. As soon as I grabbed her in a weird way since I didn't want any mud on me. Oh, sorry. I put her in the sink, and then I started to wash one of her feet, one of her foot, whatever. So silly, 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 silly. Bye.